So we've got the 2022 Wildwood. Is that a Wildwood Grand Lodge? Down at the bottom, Tim, you see that? Wildwood? I think it's Wildwood. Wildwood Grand Lodge. So I got Mycah with me. And this is actually, we haven't told anybody, but we're actually doing auditions for weathermen. So you have to address stuff while looking at the screen.
I don't have to be right.
Right. Yeah. You don't have to give any correct information to be a weatherman. That's awesome. I was talking about pointing to stuff. Like point to that reflector real fast.
Out of everything, it doesn't give me.
No, the reflector down there, down the and back. There you go. See, you're good. Now point to this right here, real quick. Yeah, you're getting it. Yeah, you got it. All right, so let's talk about this 2022 Wildwood Grand Lodge. This must be a big one, 42 feet?
Yeah, so this one's 41 feet 7 inches.
Wow, okay. Awesome. So this is a park model. As you can tell by the front here, it's not very aerodynamic.
No.
That's one thing that kind of gives it away, that it's a park model. So in other words, you take this RV to the park and you pretty much leave it there.
Yep,
you don't travel the country with this. Better just to leave it where it is. So let's keep moving forward here, and you'll see that it's weird. It's different that we're walking through this like this, but these are the RVs that a lot of the dealers haven't even seen yet.
Right.
There's the floor plan. What is that second one up there?
So that guy there, got it.
Does this have, yeah, it was good. Does this have a basement?
No, so that's actually a loft. So you'll see right there are stairs that go up into the loft. So you're going to have kind of a second floor to it.
Okay, wow, that's pretty cool. That's really cool. And a couple beds up there.
Yep, you sleep quite a few up there. You can actually, got a point over there. Down there on the far side, you could probably sleep somebody on that couch if you wanted to, yeah.
There, yeah. All right, so that's very cool. All right, well, we'll actually see it as we walk in through it here. That right there is an amazing look. Look at those windows.
Yeah.
Wow.
If you like sunlight.
Yeah, that looks incredible. I love the theater seating across from the TVs there. You got the theater seating here, TV right over there, and of course the couch.
Nice big island right here.
Yeah, it's kind of fun doing this, isn't it?
Yeah, and
Somebody's
White.
plate. Somebody was just eating here, but they're gone. Yeah, so, and yeah, Goldilocks. I definitely like, it feels like with whatever this is here, the beam across there, it's very, I mentioned earlier a place kind of looking like a lodge, like the cabinets made it look like a lodge. That does too, that beam
like
across.
A rustic look to it up there.
Yep, you're absolutely right. All right, let's move forward, see what's next. I do see a big old pantry over here, right there by your head now.
Right.
But there we go, there's the living room. Looks like a fireplace underneath the TV. Those fireplaces are awesome, they put off heat.
Yep.
I'll turn around here and take a look where we were just standing, and we'll stop right about there.
Big residential fridge right there.
Yeah. That's nice. And you see now there, look at that. Look how awesome that is up there. The loft, that's very, very cool. I had no idea what that second room was when we saw the floor plan. But of course here is, I'm assuming, a pantry.
Yep.
We've got a pantry. That is going to be either most likely a 3, I got a bug flying around me, a 3 or a 4 burner stove. And your microwave above it. That's a big old refrigerator. And then
residential, it's actually a residential microwave there too, so it's not one of those tiny little microwaves that you cook 3 tiny things in it. Yeah.
Let's keep moving. I do like also, you got a little more counter space right there, hidden kind of behind the, next to the refrigerator.
Yep.
Yeah.
Coffee maker, whatever.
Yeah, yep. There's somebody else trying to get some, oh, that's Scott. That was Scott getting footage of another RV that we'll probably look at later. Here's the upstairs. Wait, we just passed it. We'll get back to it.
Yeah.
Here's the back bedroom.
Yep. So that's going to be the master. It does drop down.
Okay.
That way you have a little bit higher ceiling height here.
Gotcha.
So I think right below where we're at right now, there's like 2 or 3 steps that drop down.
Well, that makes me feel better because as we got closer, it felt like we're going to have to duck down to get into the bedroom. But if it steps down, then we're good. Looks like a king-size bed?
Yes.
Yeah, great. And then here's the upstairs. Wow, I wish this was here. I want to see it. I haven't seen one of these yet. That is awesome. Is that new for 2022, or have I just not seen any of these with a loft like that?
I think you just missed it.
I must have. I've seen like little teeny lofts, like one little bed, but I haven't seen this. That's cool.
Yeah.
I dig that. And then on the other side, we saw that there's another
one there.
Little bit of space there.
Little overlook.
Yeah. That is awesome. Very cool. Man, I really like that. We'll check in the bathroom here, I'm assuming.
Yep.
So you're good. Good, decent sized shower, it looks like.
Glass shower door.
Yeah.
Good amount of space in there.
There's a quick look at the bathroom.
A very quick look, yeah.
But man, this might be my favorite park model yet because of that loft.
They're very popular.
I just missed it. I must admit, how much space is up there? Obviously, it's not where you're walking around up there, but
I think it's about 2.5, 3 feet.
Okay.
Something like that, 30 to 36
kids
inches.
would absolutely love that.
Oh, yeah.
Just having their own little.
Keep the toys up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rainy
that's
day.
awesome.
Yeah.
Again, just a good shot of all these windows. There's a lot of windows there, letting in a lot of natural light. I'm going to kill this bug that's flying around my head. It's driving me crazy. There, I got him. I got him.
Got him.
Yep, I got him. I'm kidding. I do think I got him now. So yeah, $56,000, $370 a month.
Yep.
For a park model place where you can live 6 months out of the year. If you live up north, take it down south, leave it there, and you gotta get away.
And it's cheap, relatively cheap. Going to be on a 20-year term, so it's almost like that's why the payment's so low.
Right.
So I mean, it's honestly very affordable.
I love it. And let's talk real quick. We talked about RV wholesalers delivering to anywhere in the country. They can deliver this if you live in Iowa and you want a vacation in Florida and you have a spot. They can deliver this to Florida.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
They don't have to deliver it to your house and then you take it.
Nope.
They can deliver it to Florida for you.
Yeah. If you want to drop it off in a Walmart parking lot, you can do that. Whatever. I mean,
that's awesome.
They work it to you.
Yeah.
I guess.
That's perfect. All right. So there you go. Please call us if you have any questions. We're going to look through it one more time real quickly. If you have any questions or you want this before anybody else can get it, get hold of us now. They're ordering them now. They're going to have them, as soon as they can get them, they will have them for you. How nice would it be to be the first person to have that park model with that loft? I love that loft.
So much space.
So awesome. What's that?
So much space.
Yeah, that looks very, very roomy. We didn't even see that. That's a longer look at the bathroom. That's a big counter for that bathroom.
Yeah.
The sink. It's good size. I love the.
You actually got a medicine cabinet over there.
Okay.
Too. So,
great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Fantastic. That's the 2022 Wildwood Grand Lodge. Again, call us and get information. We didn't even see that. We didn't see that before. There's your stackable washer and dryer. And then that's the. And you can see here where I am. There's the step down you talked about.
Yep.
To get into the bedroom.
Yeah.
And it steps down because above us is that loft. So it gives you a little more room. If you didn't have that step down, you couldn't have that loft above. So. Wow, brilliant, brilliant layout. I love it. That's great. Man, that's nice. If you're excited about that, then get on the phone and talk to folks. There's more storage space next to so that's in the bedroom there, next to obviously the washer and dryer right here. Yeah, all right. So there you go. Get hold of us. I know I say that over and over again, but do not hesitate to call us. We would love to talk to you. No pressure. We just want to answer your questions. I'm ready to give something away. So we're gonna do a giveaway here in a second. So let's do that.